This is PRIZM 5905. Let's do this thing. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Whoever's on top of the end will win the charges. Good luck. All. They're going to win the charges. Let's do this thing. How about Burrow and Herbie today? Both played amazing. This year is going to be an absolute winner. And Tour eventually as well. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Well, I clicked twice there. 4. Doesn't matter. And 5. Top team winning team is Vikings. 5 times Vikings on top. Who's got them, Dale?
Spot 12. I don't know.
Many Aliu. Congratulations. On a bit of a run lately. Here we go. Is Dale a fan of Cashmere? What does that even mean, Maggie? God, you talk smack. It just never ends. As someone who's a massive smack talker, me and Maggie used to have fun.
And then you realise that he's not your son.
Yep. Maybe he is. He's my cousin. Aren't we, Maggie? We're cousins. You and me, Maggie. Oh, nice. Lockdown, Darius Leonard. Willie Gay Jr., maybe. And Thaddeus Moss. A silver auto for the Ravens of Patrick Queen. Antonio Gandy Golden. And Jalen Hurts. So nice little silver auto there. It might not end, but you can have a 5-minute break from it. Ah, listen. I kind of wanted to see how he reacted to me calling him my cousin. Oh, I was about to get you. I just see it now in timeout. I don't even look at the name. But then, I've started doing this thing now to counter it, which you might have noticed. Go hard or go home, Odell Beckham Jr. And an orange for the Green Bay Packers of Darnell Savage Jr., number 126 of 249, where I read out their names and tell them to get stuffed. Quez Watkins, Javon Kinlaw. Maggie's my in-law. Silver, Kenneth Murray. And Purple Power of Chris Jones, number 24 of 49. Jason Huntley and Antonio Gibson. We're pretty close to full on the select as well, so get involved in that one. Unstoppable Nick Bosa. The Hyper of Will Fuller V, numbered 33 175. Who's Will? Brandon Ayuk and Jake Fromm. Come on, big old boy. Let's see one. Listen, you can hide whoever you want. Will not hold it against you. Silver for the Ravens of Mark Ingram. And an orange for the Vikings of Anthony Barr, numbered 239 and 249. Orange. Duggar Kelly. Willie McGinnis, maybe. Kyler Murray Fireworks. Blue Cracked Ice of Keith Brooking, numbered 53 of 99. Raekwon Davis. Justin Jefferson, old Raekwon, sponsors a whole bunch of streamers. Oh, Ringer, do you have the old Ravens? Congratulations. Is that gold? I reckon that's gold. Oh, there's a pretty similar looking pea yellow color. Brilliance Chris Carson, but I think that's actually gold. It's for the Texans. Jeez, who do you want? Deshaun Watson, that is who you want. Gold, Deshaun Watson, 8 of 10 for the Texans. That is very nice. Beautiful card right there. Congrats, Texans. Chase Young, Noah Igbinogene. Nice. Good luck, Ringer. I hope it works out. Silver flashbacks of Bernie Kassar. I mean, oh, no, wait. You don't want Deshaun Watson. He's a piece of shit, isn't he? 28 of 60. That's who you want. Uh-oh. James Morgan, Jerry Jeudy. I don't... Maggie Cuz, how are you? Yeah, no, ignore me. Lane Johnson. Tabby's favourite. 9 of 125. Christian Fulton. And Denzel Mims. You like that one, Dal? Thanks. P. Lee says hi, Dale. Red Wave, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. That is to 149. Anthony Jennings, Clyde Edwards-Helaire.
You've been so smiley lately.
I know. Are you having fun here? Do you enjoy working here or something?
Disgusting. Who?
Patty Mahomes.
Said you could, man.
Emergent Henry Ruggs III. Joe Theismann, watching the Redskins, that is numbered 66 of 175. AJ Epinesa and Devin Asiasi, and that is PRIZM 5905 done.